Today, we've got the Athlon 845 and I-32130 in an IPC battle between Excavator and Sandy Bridge. Now, as you should be aware, these two chips have very different core configurations, so to compare IPC, we're going to throw out the multi-threaded results and just concentrate on 4 single-threaded measurements. So what have we learned today? Well, even after all the improvements to the bulldozer architecture, it still can't compete with Intel's Sandy Bridge. AMD offers great value for the dollar on new products, but if you're buying used, then Intel's Sandy Bridge chips still offer superior performance. However, this is likely to change with Zen.